see if it's going to work.
Okay, it's just so rough going across that grass.
Although I think for this piece that's in here, I think you just have to keep going there, because there was 2 wet spots in that road. It might be dry enough farther, you know, to get that other little corner out of there, but I don't think you'd make it all the way up to this side.
Yeah, okay. Do you know who the RM counselor is for this area here?
It's Harvey.
They got to do something about that, because every year